Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the recipient account is unable to accept payment on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you try to send the money to someone and it's not working, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Let me tell you that if you try to send the money to anyone and it's not working, just simply contact with him that if he is not blocked from the Cash App, if he is not blocked from the Cash App and still it's not working, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the Cash App first. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to try to send the less money. Okay guys, if you try to send the lot of amount, maybe that's why it's not working, try to send the less money to the receiver, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to tap on your profile. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. You can also see here guys, link banks. Just simply have to link the bank, and after that guys, try to send him money through your bank and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then scroll it down and you can easily find here guys support option. Tap on that. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. Let me tell you that you have to contact with the Cash App support team, and you can also tell the receiver that he has to contact with the Cash App team. Okay guys, so just simply have to tap on chat and just simply contact with the Cash App support team and tell them that you want to send the money to someone but it's not working and you're getting the error like on the screenshot. So you have to provide the screenshot to Cash App team, and hopefully they will resolve your issue as soon as possible. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.